Adding a watermark in Lightroom Classic is a great way to protect and brand photos. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step-to-step guides on how to add watermark in Lightroom Classic. So the first thing you have to do is go to Library Module and select the image or image you want to watermark. Once you do that, click on Export to open the image window. Then in the Export window, scroll down to the watermark section and check the watermark box. Choose the Edit Watermark to enter the watermark editors. Then for a text watermark, type your text in the box provided. You can change the font color, the size to match your styles. Once you do that, you can also upload a transparent PGN file, position it on the image where it looks best, and adjust the opacity to make it subtle yet visible. You can also save your customization as a new preset for future use. You can also apply watermark preset. When export, select your saved watermark preset. You can create a multiple watermark preset for different purpose, such one for client image and others for social media posts. Once you do that, ensure your watermark preset is selected. Choose your export settings like the JPEG format, export location, and any additional metadata. Then click the export button. Then once you do that, you can now check your image and you notice that your watermark has successfully reflected and visible on your photos or your brand text. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification bell and follow for more.